In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the missing folder pane in Outlook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you're on Outlook, you're using the application, but for some reason, you can't see your folders or anything like that. You can't see your inbox, sent items, deleted, anything like that. That can be really frustrating, especially if you're looking for an important email. So all you want to go ahead and do, your default, you're going to be on home. So what you want to do is press view, which is the second tab next to home. And then you want to go ahead and find this right icon right here, which is, filled out on the left, and it's going to be empty on the right. It also says folder pane right here. So go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to see folder list as the first option. What you got to do is go ahead and change it from hide to show, and that's going to fix it. Now I see my inbox, junk, email, sent, deleted, pretty much everything and any other folders I've made, and I can go to and navigate wherever I want to, and I'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and be sure to let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.